Mask hacks, fun and creative ways on how to make a mask. Using a face mask is a must to protect ourselves since we are facing a seriously contagious pandemic today, which is the coronavirus disease, or COVID-19 in short. The means of transmission is aerosol caused by coughing or sneezing, which is why face masks are important. There are readily available face masks you can buy at stores or pharmacies near you, but it's much better if you can use materials readily available at your home. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well and safe in their homes. For today's video, I will tell you how to make a fun and creative mask to use for your protection. Even if we are now besieged by a pandemic, we can still add fun in our lives in small ways, making a mask included. With that said, let's get started. Number 1. Make a mask from handkerchief or a bandana. According to the CDC, you can make a face mask out of a handkerchief or bandana. I'm not referring to typically tying both ends of the bandana at the back of your head, but rather folding the cloth and wearing it with the help of a rubber or elastic band. You'll need a handkerchief or bandana or any clean cloth that has dimensions of at least 50 centimeters. If it's bigger, then fold or cut the long sides until it is 50 centimeters long. 2 rubber bands or elastic bands are also needed. Here is the guide they put up. First, lay the cloth properly and fold it in half. Fold the upper half by a third. Do the same at the bottom. Continuously fold until the two ends meet in the middle. Insert the folded cloth to the rubber or elastic bands and provide an allowance of 5 inches between the elastic bands. Fold each side, then tuck it in the rubber or elastic bands. There you have it! If you want it to look beautiful, then use a bandana or handkerchief with beautiful patterns. This method requires no sewing, so it's totally convenient. Number 2. Cut up a t-shirt to make a tight-fitting face mask. You can make face masks from t-shirts made of thick cotton and polyester. However, this method requires cutting the t-shirt horizontally. That's why old t-shirts are best for this method. Do not use a sleeveless or long sleeve t-shirt for this method. Pins are needed to enclose the cut parts. Here's a guide on how to do it. First, cut the t-shirt horizontally at the top and bottom of the sleeve. Second, make a horizontal U-shaped cut at the sleeves. You should leave an allowance of at least 2.5 centimeters at the top and bottom of the sleeve. The curve of the U cut must exceed the sleeve at least 2.5 centimeters. Place a filter between the cut t-shirt. It can be a coffee filter, paper towel, or any non-moving fabric material. Seal the top and bottom part with pins. With that, you now have a tight-fitting face mask. The advantage of this kind of face mask is that you can adjust the tightness of the tie in the back of the head and nape. You can also replace the filter in between the cloth. If you want the face mask to look fashionable, you can stitch designs in the outer part or use a beautiful dark colored t-shirt as material. Number 3. Sew your face mask with a replaceable filter. If you have extra cloth and you happen to like sewing, then it's much better to just sew a face mask. You'll need a cloth that has dimensions more than 25 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters long, thread and needle, elastic band, and scissors. This is how to do it. Cut the cloth into 2 rectangles having dimensions of 25 centimeters wide and 15 centimeters long. Place them on top of each other. Fold the top and bottom part of the cloth with a length of 0.6 centimeters. Stitch all the way across at the top part. For the bottom, only 2.5 centimeters from the edges on both sides. Fold the shortest sides about 1 centimeter and stitch. The allowance is for the elastic band. Insert the elastic bands at the gaps. Adjust the length to fit your preferences. Lastly, put the filter in the pocket. And with that, you now have a sewn face mask. You can stitch designs that you think will make the face mask more fashionable. Alternatively, you can also place an aluminum wire with a length of 22 centimeters at the top of the fabric in the middle before folding. The nose bridge wire will hold the mask to your nose, just like surgical masks. Sewing face masks can be turned into a business opportunity since it is in demand due to the pandemic. With the guide I stated, I'm pretty sure you can come up with a fully functional and fashionable face mask that will protect you from the dreaded coronavirus. The guides are from the CDC, so you don't need to worry if you think it's unsafe. Just a reminder that it doesn't end with just wearing face masks. You also need to maintain proper hygiene and eat healthy foods that boost your immune system. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you will be notified once we upload a new video like this one. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on our next one.